Hey guys, this is the video for Friday, May 12th. Important timing windows from today. From the bottom up, we have the white large C2 window, which is going to be indicative of a more significant swing pivot on a daily bar. And then working from the bottom up, we've got the large bright green window on the C1. So we're looking for trend changes in the smaller windows above that in B2 and 3 to set up smaller time zones. So we had the bright green on the B2 right here, and we did catch a new low in the overnight, and that set this long trade up for about a half hour that went into that report where we got that little kick in volatility. The next window came in. We had the bright green on the A6, which also could be potential for a pivot. We had white over green right there. We had a new low, but we did not get the trigger to go long. The white window above that actually signaled a short, so that doesn't fit in the parameters of new high or new low, but it can be used as a trade trigger. And then the market traded down, and then we moved on into this white A4 block here, where we had the white and green on the A3, and that's where the bottom came in, and the reversal bar was triggered right there in that window. Did a little double bottom type deal, and we also had the pH kick in at 1032, the end of the larger segment, so that gave us that opportunity there. And then we traded upward into the next important window, was the white window. We did not get excuse me, a new high or new low in that window. But then when we moved into the bright green A4 window here on the fourth panel down, right there where my arrow's at, we traded down, and then we caught another low. Technically it wasn't a new high or new low, but it was a good trade trigger because we had green on the B1 over white on the A2. And then we also had a supporting window in that A4 zone, and we had white A5 block lining up with the green B1 block, which gave a good indication for that to be a good long trade setup. Now looking into Friday's activity, we've got large windows there, so we want to look at the overlap. So we've got this bright green window, basically encapsulates the whole trading day. So we've got to look to the upper windows to try to narrow that down. So we've got bright green here on the B2 panel, and that gives us a good time to look there because we're into the period after 3 a.m. of the European Open. So looking at that, we've got potential here on the beginning of the window, then the green, white over green on the B1, B2. We've also got that A5 indication, and we've got a bright green on the A1. So right there at 342 would be a good opportunity. And then there's another one lesser of importance at 408 in that A1, A2 top two ribbon area there. Moving into the white window, we've got the green block there on the B1, so we're going to want to be looking at that point right there. And the other important point in that zone would be white over green on the A5, A6.